Slide the sealing ring onto the glass central shaft and insert it into the instrument. Unscrew the locking buckle. Assemble the sealing ring as shown in the video and slide it onto the other end of the glass central shaft installation completed as shown in the video. Unscrew the locking buckle on the other end of the central shaft. Install the sealing ring. Put the sealing ring on before installing the adapter bottle. Note the orientation of the sealing ring, convex side facing down. Tighten the locking buckle. Install the evaporation flask sealing ring convex side facing down. Lock it in place with the positioning pin. Install the bracket and adjust to a suitable position. Install and secure the condenser. Then place the sealing ring at the interface with the adapter bottle. Tighten the connection with the locking buckle. Condenser installation completed.